Hi guys, hope you all are well. So today's video is going to be about a makeup look created using products worth 500 or under. So I went through my stuff and found out some products that were fitting into that category and thought of creating a makeup look with those so that those of you who are always looking for budget options can try them out. Though 500 is still on the pricey side, but yeah, I will try and do another video with products priced much lesser than 500, but right now I'm going to go ahead with this video. So my face is clean, I have nothing on, and I'm going to start with Halal Aloe Aqua No Blemish Cream. So this is a very lightweight gel based moisturizer and I like it. I've been using it for a couple of days now. It's like a really good option for under makeup. It's very light, it just sinks into the skin and it smells nice as well. Now the first step would be a primer, and I'm going back to my old favorite primer, which is the one Illuskin face primer from Oriflame. The next step is foundation. I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation in the shade 332 Golden Caramel. So this foundation is slightly darker than my complexion, but I make it work by highlighting my face later with a lighter shade of concealer. And the sponge I'm using is from Henna Beauty. I'll link it below. And I'm using it for the first time. It's pretty good. It's pretty bouncy and latex free. The Fit Me foundation doesn't offer full coverage, but it's pretty good for everyday use. If you like to apply foundation on everyday basis, this is a good option. I'm going to use Maybelline's Age Rewind concealers in the shade medium and caramel for my under eye area. I've used them quite a bit. As you can see, this much is left. I love using caramel for whenever I'm not wearing much makeup. I love to apply it around my mouth, under my eyes. It's slightly darker, but then it covers the darkness around my mouth really well. So for my under eye, I'm going to apply caramel first and then a dash of medium on the top of it. Yeah, that's it. Next up is setting my face with a compact, and I'm using Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Powder Foundation in the shade Honey Dew. The bronzers I own are generally priced at rupees 800 to I think 1200 or 1400. So I picked this one from Sugar Cosmetics. It's Sugar Contour de Force Mini Bronzer in the shade Woody Wonder number 2. It's a very subtle one for my complexion, and I think because my foundation is slightly dark, this one isn't showing up that well, but I think the bronzer is nice. So for blush, I'm going to use this Essence Matte Touch blush in the shade Berry Me Up number 20. Very beautiful shade. Essence blushes cost really less and they are good quality. So if you're interested in a nice matte blush, then give these a shot. The face makeup is done. I will quickly move on to my eye makeup now. Before that, I'm going to mist my face with a little bit of makeup fixing spray, which is from Europe Girls Cosmetics. This is Perfect Day Makeup Fixer. I'm going to use Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette. So I'm taking the transition shade first. Next I'm going to use this slightly burnt orange and will apply it just in the crease. I'm going to apply this beautiful magenta purplish pink on all over my eyelids. Next I'm going back to same orange which I applied in my transition before and blending a little bit of this pink out. I'm going to use this Incolor 24x7 Glide On eyeliner. Can you see how beautiful this eyeliner is? It's very nice and it's pretty pigmented. Now I'm going to take that little bit of this pretty shimmery color here and apply it in the inner corners of my eyes, like near tear ducts. And as you can see, my brows are crooked. I got them threaded yesterday, and can you see? She has like chopped off, eaten away half of my brow. This one is always a troubled brow for me. This one has a pretty nice natural shape, but this one, now I'm going to have to grow it out a lot, I mean for a good 1 or 2 months to get the shape back. But thank God for eyebrow pencil. I'm going to use this Innisfree Auto Eyebrow Pencil in the shade Espresso Brown. I'm impressed. Pencil is pretty nice. And this spoolie is also very nice, not scratchy like the regular spoolie. Okay, so this brow pencil is really good. I really liked it and the color suits me pretty well. And this gets a thumbs up from me, like 2 thumbs up from me, because can you see? It has made my brows look so beautiful. Next I'm going to highlight my brows, and for that I'm going to use this color from the palette. For my highlighter, I'm going to use the Swiss Beauty Jelly Highlighter in the shade number 2. And it's very pretty highlighter, very pretty. And it's not sticky or creamy or greasy. It almost feels like water. It applies and blends into the skin really nicely and gives you this kind of dewy, shiny, beautiful finish. So we are left with mascara. So for mascara, I'm going to use the Lash Sensational Mascara from Maybelline. This was like my favorite mascara when I had this, and I've picked the waterproof version because my lashes are pretty straight and they don't hold the curls, so it's best to use a waterproof version in that case. My eyes are not finished. I had completely forgotten the lower lash line, so I'm going to apply a little bit of this black kajal on the waterline and then smudge the lash line with a little bit of this beautiful burgundy. Now I'm taking another brush and we'll take this one from here and just blend right under the pink eyeshadow. Now I can leave it like that or apply some lashes, but today I really want to apply some lashes. So I'm going to use some lashes from Henna Beauty. So she sent me a couple of her lashes. These are mink lashes, very beautiful. I really want to try this one on. This is Haya and it looks like a pretty natural looking lash. Okay, so these lashes look so good. Can you see this one versus this one? So good. Now I'll apply a little bit of mascara on the lower lash line. I'm going to sharpen the wing a bit. So eyes are done. I'm going to spray my face again with the Makeup Fixing Spray. I'm going to use this soft matte lip cream from Swiss Beauty in the shade Mauve Pink and 16. You can apply a neutral color if you want to, but I think this color would make it look more monotone. So this is the finished makeup look and I think it looks pretty good. I really like the products that I've used today. The Incolor eyeliner, the Swiss lipstick, the Swiss Beauty lipstick, the eyeshadow palette, the eyelashes, the eyebrow product, the blush. Everything is thumbs up. So yeah, especially the highlighter that I have on is really good as well. So I'm going to make more videos like this, and we'll try to keep it much lower than 500. So yeah, you can also use this makeup look for Eid. Yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you are watching me for the first time, please subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, bye.